Supplementary list, item number 25.
In this case, my lord, we have filed the affidavit, my lord, day before yesterday. Yesterday, we have filed the affidavit, my lord. Lords will look into our affidavit, my lord. We have annexed the documents, my lord.
Just
Page 2273.
273.
3.
Yes.
That is the resolution adopted by the Executive Committee of the Autonomous Council, my lord.
Mhm.
That about the massive re-encroachment taking place at Lahorejan Block number 3 on the plot of land which was already freed through eviction right on so and so.
Mhm.
The Executive Committee took a serious view and directed the Revenue Department KSC to evict the encroachers immediately from the Sorkari land. It is on 2nd May 2023. Then the
Yes.
Lordship in next page, pilot. The Principal Secretary passed an order that communicated it, my lord, to take the necessary step by the Revenue Department on 3/5/2023.
Yes.
Then Annex of 5275, that is the order.
Mhm.
Lordship will look into that order.
Yes.
Seen the inquiry report submitted by Assistant Revenue Officer, Review Revenue Circle, by letter number so dated so on the illegal occupation of government khas land by encroachers under village Lahorejan Block number 3, Moja Borjan under Review Revenue Circle. Whereas it is felt necessary in public interest to keep the reserve land free from any illegal occupation and for development activities and allotment of the government land has led to the landless people of the district for agricultural purposes as per provisions of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886 and Land Policy. Where it is seen from the report of the Assistant Revenue Officer that the
Mr. Burgoyne, last two lines of this
last
order.
2 lines, my lord. Pardon, my lord.
Last two lines of order in Chapter 5.
And
My lord,
all the darks number, my lord, that is not the land of the petitioner, my lord, it is the government khas land.
my lord. Before I revert back to that query, your lordship.
And before that, my lord, I want to another submission, my lord. In that particular writ petition, we have filed the affidavit in opposition on 2nd February 2022. This writ petition was filed in October 2022. In that writ affidavit opposition, we have clearly stated that the petitioner, as per direction of the Honorable High Court, my lord, they have submitted the 12 petitioners submitted the potta, my lord. Out of that, my lord, 7 Hague pottas were furnished to us, my lord. And that we have filed the affidavit to that extent. No reply has yet been filed in that particular affidavit.
Petition here.
That single just repetition, my lord.
My lord, we have already mentioned it. Today morning only my
And my
colleague
lord,
has
another
mentioned.
point, my lord. Yesterday, my lord, 6 other repetitions, similar repetition was listed before a single judge, my lord. Interlocutory application was filed. Interlocutory application regarding that, my lord, notice issued by the district magistrate. Honorable Court, my lord, single judge recorded our statement and disposed of the interlocutory petition. 6 petitions yesterday, my lord. And today also before the single judge, another 6 petitions are listed, my lord,
Okay.
regarding the same issues, my lord.
Mm.
We'll place all these records, my lord, before the single judge also today. Yesterday also we placed it, my lord.
Very well.
And today
Yes.
also. And another point, my lord, lordships.
Let him complete, my lord. Let him complete.
My lord, if
Yes.
lordships, my lord, there is a unique provisions of the constitution in this particular, my lord, area, my lord. If you
Sixth
lordship, my
schedule.
lord, article 6, no, article 244, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, you are looking into that provision, my lord. There is nowhere in India that provision is there. That provision is only in the Karbi Anglong and Diba Hasao, my lord.
Yes.
Article 244, my lord.
244. A.
244, my lord,
Yes.
2. The provisions of the 6th schedule shall apply to the administration of tribal areas in the state of Assam.
Hmm.
And Article 244A, my lord.
Yes.
Formation of an autonomous state comprising certain tribal areas in Assam and creation of local legislature or council of ministers. It is nowhere in the India, my lord, only it
No,
is
no,
there.
we have been taken through this provision. What do you want to highlight?
My lord, that paragraph 3, we have that in this particular case, they have challenged the law, legislative competence of making law. In that particular law, my lord, we have enacted the law as per paragraph 3 that we have the power to make allotment of the land.
Mm.
Accordingly, we have allotting the lot, but they have challenged that particular act before.
We
this
have not
development.
interfered. No? We have not interfered.
My lord, but my lord, by virtue of my lord, that whole eviction process, that is, we have no power of eviction. That will
No, no, issue here is that can you evict a holder?
not, we are not evicting a porta holder.
You can evict an encroacher.
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord.
We
Yes,
don't
my
come
lord.
to the
Lord,
aid
may
of the,
clarify only on that point, my lord.
we definitely will not come to the aid of the
My lord.
encroachers.
My lord.
But patta holders,
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord. And this is the
Yes.
specific order.
My
what
lord.
do you have to say?
Your lordship, when this writ petition was filed, 7211,
Hmm.
was with respect to the eviction notice issued by the KSE under Rule 18 of the Assam Land Revenue Regulation.
Hmm.
We challenged it that it was not, that was the rule which, the eviction notices which have been passed against us was not followed by the due process of law.
Hmm.
On that basis, on 23rd 12th 2021, interim protections were granted to us. Now, after that, your lordship, we filed an affidavit, additional affidavit, challenging that the Karbi Anglong Land Revenue Authority, the KSE, have exercised the power of Assam Land Revenue Regulation by invoking the Act of 1958, which is beyond their legislative competence. Now, on that aspect, the learned single judge asked the KSE to clarify that point. Now, your lordship, subsequently, KSE filed the affidavit. Your lordship may kindly see, I have asked for the record to come, your lordship, kindly see their affidavit
In which rate petition?
in 7211, in
Single judge.
single.
But why we are required to see
My
the
lord,
readings of this SB petition here?
my lord,
If you want us to do that, file it on record. Bring that on record then.
my lord, what happened? Then I will
Yes.
put it like that.
Yes.
They are saying that they are competent. When in the additional affidavit, we said that you are not competent to evict us also.
Fine. For the present, you asked us to take this matter up urgently,
My lord,
despite the fact that you had not served the notices on them. We took it up, we have given you the protection. They have come out with a pertinent reply. They are not touching any of those people who are in the writ petitions. What is the problem?
no, they are, no, my lord. When they have given assurance to this court on 18 and 29, even after that, they have encroached in my land and broke the houses of my land tenants, for which we have filed a contempt petition, my lord, it's pending.
That will be taken care of in the contempt. What is to be done here now? Now they are on record saying we are not touching those people who are in writ.
My lord,
What is wanted?
my lord, the question is
So
that,
under the garb of these petitions, if more people start pouring in and making an encroachment, what the council will do?
your lordship,
Yes,
let me be
this
very,
can't be a license to people to just get into the bandwagon and start making encroachment.
no, my lord, when they have filed this affidavit, the lordship will appreciate this time.
Yes,
When they have filed this affidavit, the present affidavit and the earlier affidavit in a single bench, their grounds were the same, similar. They never came for vacation of that stay order, interim order. Now they are saying that your lordship will see that when the stay order was in operation, on the face of the record, they are saying that they want to evict. Now, who are those persons? Are we protected from that? That is my question. First thing.
that order itself says you are protected. We'll make it clear that the petitioners who are having periodic pattas will not be disturbed. All right, we'll reiterate that direction.
My lord, your lordship, if the lordship does that, I will be very much great. But secondly, my lord, the most pertinent question is that does the KSE in this on the face of it have the power to evict me? Your lordship may kindly look up the two Supreme Court judgments of constitutional bench.
He says we are not doing it for the present. We are only proceeding against genuine encroachers.
My lord, even that they cannot do.
Oh, you are not representing them now.
My lord, there
You
are
are
certain.
not-
My lord, there are certain.
There be also
Yes, my lord. There are certain.
encroachers.
No, my lord. They are saying that I am encroachers. They are saying that I am encroacher.
We will clarify that those who are having periodic pattas will not be evicted save as provided in law.
My lord, as far as periodic pattas are concerned, they are saying that in 35 writ petitioners are before your lordship.
Yes,
They are saying
some of them are fake.
some of them are fake.
Yes,
No, without that, on what basis? Because we are saying, because that will be a matter of discovering of a fact,
yes.
my lord. How can they come that it is a
That
fake,
We will ask them. We'll ask them. How are they alleging that they are fake?
my lord?
But otherwise also that issue is before the single bench, not before us.
My single bench is protecting me, my lord. But
It's all right.
my lord, in spite of that, they are threatening us, my lord.
So then you file contempt.
My lord, contempt is pending. It is
Then
not in
what division bench will do?
My lord,
Go there physically and stop them.
no, my lord. In this division bench, what I am saying is that, as a whole, my lord, KSE does not have the power, because of the Supreme Court Constitutional Bench judgment saying that by exercising of 318, paragraph 31A, you don't have the right to even make law on transfer of any subject with respect to land. Your lordship will kindly look into the judgment. And there is a follow-up judgment of this honorable court, division bench, Tarani Kumar Roy. They are saying that KSE does not have the power to bring in operation of Assam Land Revenue Regulations. Those two are there, my lord. And if your lordship,
We'll decide your matter when the It is taken up for final hearing.
My lord, they have filed a affidavit prima facie. What I'm saying is that, prima facie, what I'm saying is that let
Protected you.
protect us, protect the 35 petitioners, my lord. The petition, 35 petitioners are there.
What else the order is? What is the order then?
My lord, 23/12/2021,
Yes.
last period, my lord.
Yes.
Subject to taking steps on the respondent as well as submitting the requisite valid land documents with tag numbers and patta numbers.
Mr. Counsel,
Hello.
what is your stand regarding these petitioners?
My lord, in this petitioners, my lord, though we have protected them, my lord, we will not evict. The principal secretary has passed a specific order there.
All the petitioners herein.
Petitions pending, 11 petitions are pending before this court. No one will be tasked. My lord. A specific order has been
My
passed.
lord, let it be very specific because past experience is very bitter, my lord.
Gentlemen, you can't preempt these things. If they again flout the court's order, the process has to be taken. What can be done? Yeah, an officer says, all right, I'll go to jail. I'll still flout it. What will do?
My lord, situation in KAC is totally very pathetic, my lord, to be very frank. Let the 35 petitioners, my lord, let it be specifically treated. Before, my lord, that's my.
The order is very clear, Mr. Burgoyne. Land involved in writ petitions pending before High Court shall not be disturbed. All right. Land Counsel, Mr. Chutia has placed on record an affidavit of the
That's for number 3.
respondent number 3,
My lord.
annexing therewith copy of the order dated 24/5/2023, which conveys that land issued by the principal secretary, KAC, which conveys that land involved in the writ petitions pending before the High Court shall not be disturbed till a direction from the High Court is received. Thus, reiterating the interim protection granted to the petitioners herein on 31/5/2023, the respondents are given 6 weeks' time to file detailed affidavit.
We have filed affidavit, my lord. This affidavit will suffice, my lord, lordship.
You don't want any more pleadings to
My
come,
lord, my lord, we'll file it.
the matter is adjourned by 6 weeks.
Hello, lord.